Xiaomi.
Hello Gadget Arena channel friends. Now we will review the latest cell phone from Xiaomi. Watch this video until the end, friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Guys, Xiaomi launched a new folding cell phone, the Mix Fold 3 type. The sophistication of this cell phone is said to be a rival to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. In fact, this folding cell phone comes with a number of improvements, one of which is the camera aspect. Reportedly, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 comes with an additional camera in the form of a periscope telephoto camera, which has the advantage of photographing objects from a greater distance than a regular camera. Supporting periscope camera capabilities, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is equipped with 3 rear cameras with different resolutions. Includes a 50MP main camera f1.8 OIS, a 10MP telephoto camera f2.0 3.2 optical zoom OIS, and a 12MP ultrawide camera f2.2 120-degree field of view. Not inferior to its design specifications, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 has a thinner body. The thickness is around 5.3 millimeters when unfolded and 10.9 millimeters when folded. Meanwhile, for the screen aspect, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 supports an 8-inch E6 screen with a resolution of 1960 by 2160 pixels. A refresh rate of 120 Hz, as well as a 6.5-inch secondary screen that has an LTPO panel. The performance of this foldable cell phone is maximum because it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 16 GB RAM. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 has other supporting features, including a 800 mAh battery with fast charging via cable with 607 power, wireless charging with 500 power, ultra-thin glass UTG, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and more. That way, you can surf safely with your smartphone. So, those are the specifications, advantages, and price of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. Until now, there is no information regarding when this Xiaomi foldable cell phone will be marketed globally, including in Indonesia. That's enough information that we can convey. If there are any shortcomings or errors in conveying the information in this video, we apologize. We are waiting for your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell button so you don't miss out on updated information about the latest cell phones in 2023. Thank you.